Chef Kurt here, and we're going to be working with some Gordon Choice spicy cauliflower bites. Cauliflower, it's lightly battered, crispy, delicious, and we're going to be pairing it today with the peppermill dill pickle ranch dressing and using some Trady seasoning to have some fun. And the great thing about this, it's like ready to go, right out of the freezer, right out of the bag, into your fryer. These bites, they got a really, really good flavor to them. And to me, the best part about these is the cauliflower's just cooked a little bit, so it's not super, super crunchy, and they're not soggy either. So you got that nice crunch on the outside, but you also have a little bit of texture when you're biting through that piece of cauliflower. And these are gonna go for about 3.5 minutes till they're nice and golden brown delicious on the outside. And after that time's up, we're just gonna come over to the fryer, give it a little shake. We're gonna transfer them to a bowl right away. And then we're gonna be taking the Trady classic barbecue seasoning. It's kind of a nice little differentiator. The product by itself, very, very good, but taking this Trady seasoning, while it's still hot and has a little bit of that oil on, it really absorbs into the skin and that crust and overly flavors the outside of that real nice. And I think it pairs really, really nicely with the dill pickle ranch. And then we take it to our plate. And for a nice little touch, a little bit more of that seasoning on top of that dill pickle ranch. And for garnish, and there you have your spicy cauliflower bites with the barbecue seasoning and some dill pickle ranch. Delicious appetizer dish.